Winning your ex back isn't really the hard part. The hard part is keeping them. After all, they left you once, what is to stop them from leaving you again? What is the point of getting your ex back if you can't keep them permanently? 9 new ways to get your ex-boyfriend back as quickly as possible without looking desperate. 1. Don't be in such a hurry to try and get him back, it's a mistake. I know. You are thinking to yourself, look, I came here to find out the fastest way possible to get my ex-boyfriend back where he belongs. But trust me, things are probably pretty crazy right now if you are just coming out of the breakup, so don't make it worse by rushing through things, being overly impulsive, and doing or saying something you will regret later. 2. Keep a journal, it can help you deal better with the onslaught of the breakup emotions. Right now is your time. While your instincts are to obsess over your ex-boyfriend and run through your mind over and over again as to what you did wrong, you have to stop thinking this way. So what I want you to do is start writing down your vision of the future and what you want. Don't think so much about what happened in the past, but focus on what you are going to do to start healing. 3. Avoid the temptation to text and call him. I am going to warn you now. You will be possessed by this intense desire to contact him. If only you could talk to him, you think, you would just explain everything and all would be forgotten. Well, it seldom works that way. Chances are your efforts will be ignored, which will just make you feel worse. Or you will successfully reach your ex-boyfriend and he and you will end up having a heated or disappointing conversation, leaving you feeling bad and rejected yet again. It's almost always a no-win situation because neither one of you are well equipped right now to deal with your emotional states. 4. Become the ungettable girl, because that is truly what your ex-boyfriend wants even if he doesn't know it yet. The best way to optimize your chances of getting your ex-BF back is to become ungettable girl. You want to increase your value in his eyes and also make it difficult for him to reach you, talk to you, and see you. This is just a small part of becoming the ungettable girl. It's also about making yourself beautiful in his eyes from afar. He can see you, but now it is at a distance, through Snapchat, Facebook, etc. Slowly over time, your ex-boyfriend will crave you and you will do things to ensure that he feels that craving every day by using little jealousy ploys and rumors and chance encounters. Your ex-boyfriend loves nothing more than a good chase, so give him one. 5. Understand how to use radio silence to the benefit of your ex-boyfriend. A lot of people think that when they implement radio silence, no contact, with their ex-BF, that it is all about denying them or punishing them. But that is not it at all. It is really about allowing your ex-boyfriend time to get over his anger and resentment and sort through his feelings. Make no mistake, bitterness is usually just hovering over a breakup couple and your guy might be holding on to his fair share. So allow for some space. Once the ugly thoughts are out of his mind, the good thoughts and memories will eventually return, as he will most assuredly start missing you, sometimes terribly. 6. Be creative in your efforts to attract your ex-BF. Sometimes you have to get creative to get through your ex-boyfriend's thick skull. He may be one of those stubborn ones who figures that he will wait for you to make the first move. He might just need a stimulus. 7. Stay one step ahead of your ex-boyfriend. Consider picking up something that he doesn't have. It's called Ex-Boyfriend Attraction Secrets and is probably one of the finest ebooks I have written on this topic of ex-boyfriend attraction secrets. Check link in the description. What better advantage is there than having a companion guide that helps you with just about any situation you might face? 8. Don't try to get your ex-boyfriend back. Oddly enough, many of my clients were successful in re-establishing contact with their ex-boyfriends by simply not even trying. They didn't do anything except move forward with their lives, focusing on bettering themselves personally and professionally. In a way, it is a form of what I call passive no contact or passive radio silence. It works for some people. They figure that if their boyfriend dropped them, then so be it, and instead of becoming dependent and addicted to their ex-boyfriend, they choose to embrace other things in their life, doing those things they want to do and accomplish. Then as they focus on those things and have success, oftentimes their ex-boyfriends show up realizing they made a huge mistake letting their girlfriend go. 9. Get some personalized advice. Sometimes the breakup is so unique or troubling or complex that it requires some specialized advice. Or sometimes, people do better if they can talk to someone who is an expert at helping folks with their relationship troubles. Well, if you fall into that category, then you are in luck. All you need to get 14 potent attraction secrets. Over 45,000 women have seen the secrets. So click the link in the description and I am sure you can win a man. Heart.